How to reactivate your Instagram account. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. On the login screen, enter your email or username and your password. If you had only deactivated your account, logging in will automatically reactivate it. But if you had requested permanent deletion, you'll only be able to reactivate it within 30 days of submitting that request. After logging in, you'll see a message asking if you want to keep your account. Tap Keep Account and just like that, your account will be fully restored, including your posts, followers, and data. And that's it. This is how you can easily reactivate your Instagram account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.